Hey everyone, so for today's video, it's February 3, 2026. So as you can see, now, i-review natin to si Cashland. So first, punta tayo dito sa ating Google Play Store. So search natin si Cashland. So, this application, na-download ko na siya, pero hindi ko pa siya na-play. So, before we start sa ating tutorial, so yung application na to, meron na siyang 4.6 reviews. And meron na rin siyang 500k downloads. So, as you can see dito, let's see. So, we can play a games to earn money of this application. And then, pwede tayo makapag-withdraw dito via PayPal. And, ayan, so pwede tayong kumita via inviting our friends. So, only PayPal lamang po yung mode of payment nila dito sa application na to. So, now, meron siya ditong, as you can see, meron naman siya ditong good feedback. Ayan, may mga nagre-ratings naman dito na okay daw yung application na ito and nakapag-withdraw sila at legit daw po. So, take note lamang po, take a risk what you can afford to lose. So, hindi naman po lahat it's the same. So, sometimes may mga free earning application na may limited time lang sila na nagbabayad. At not all the time na payable yung application. So, now, let's proceed. So, open na lang natin yung application before we start. Meron siya dito. So, i-accept na lang natin. Alright. So, ito yung itsura ng application kapag i-open natin. And now, before we start, play a game and earn money. If you have an invitation code, so i-click lang ninyo yung enter. So, wala man akong invitation code dito. So, yung magsa-start na ako. After we start, so meron siya ditong you get 270 coins. So, okay lang natin. And ang minimum payout dito is 0.01 USD. So, as you can see, meron siya nakalagay dito. Ayan. So, click natin tong earn money. So, after natin maklik yung money, meron ditong allow Cashland. So, i-allow lamang natin. And, agree and continue. Ayan, allow tracking lang natin. And i-on lang natin. Okay. Allow access. Ayan siya. And wait na lang natin siya mag-proceed. Click OK. And then, let's go back sa ating application. So, alright. Meron tayo dito, maximum task is 35 coins. Total is 908. So, as of now, let's see. So, play now. So, meron siya dito mga pinapa-download na mga application para tayo ay makapaglaro to earn coins. Ayan, balik tayo sa ating application. So, dito, ayan, pinapa-download niya to si 2048. So, kailangan natin dito puntahan yung games. So, 10 minutes. Kailangan natin i-open ang 10 minutes. So, i-download down natin yung application na ito. So, i-install lang natin. And then, mag-wait tayo. So, ayan, makakakuha ka ng application. So, no thanks. So, wait na lang natin. Download ko na yung application. So, i-play tap natin. So, we need to spend here at least 10 minutes para tayo ay makapag-earn ng coins. Na-download ko na siya. Hindi ko muna siya lalaroin. So, at least meron siya ditong 20 to 48 link. So, kailangan natin talaga siyang laruin para tayo ay makapag-earn ng coins. So, dito, wait lang. Check natin. And, ayun. So, meron tayo ditong total of 908 coins total. So, kailangan natin tong laruin talaga. So, hindi pa tayo makapag-withdraw dito. Not unless kung hindi natin ma-reach yung minimum withdrawal nila, which is 0.01. So, hanggang dito na lang po muna ang ating app review for today's video.